I'm going to show you how to do a master reset on a Ferroli bluehelix high-tech. We need to get into the parameters, so we're going to press the 3 lines. We're going to go into service mode, press the 3 lines again. We're going to put a password in, which is 1234. We're going to press the right button for number 1, the left button to scroll, right button for number 2. You see the pattern: right button, left button, right button. 3 lines to enter. We're going to go into TSP, transparent parameters. Press the 3 lines again. We're going to scroll down to B29. If you press it one at a time, it'll go slow. If you press it and keep finger on there, it goes fast. So we're going to go to B29. 3 lines to enter the parameters. It shows 0 at the moment. We're going to go up to parameter 10. Go up to 10. We're going to press the 3 lines to acknowledge, and then we come out. And then what we need to do, we need to turn off the power when we've gone back to the normal screens. Turn off the power, wait for 10 seconds, and then after 10 seconds we'll turn it back on again. And then what it'll do, it resets it all the way from start to finish. It does take a long time to do it like this. It takes up to about 5 minutes. So we're going to pause the video, and then we'll see when it's back at 100%, and then do that all on its own. So we can up to 100% now. This does take literally 3 to 5 minutes to do this. It'll reset all on its own, and that's how you do a factory reset and a Ferroli bluehelix. If you found this video useful, if you don't mind, if you can please like and subscribe.